YouTube, welcome back. So this is continuing off the last part with our little tutorial. Now it's supposed to be just adding objects, but we turned it into our little mini project with the Lambo and the garage scene. So I hope you guys enjoy videos like this. I will continue to do more like this, where I just basically, we just have fun with these mini projects, and you guys can stick along and just watch the entire process of how I do things. And I think it's a fun experience for us both. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy stuff like this. Make sure to let me know if there's anything I can work on. So yeah, let's continue with this right here. Alright, just went ahead and looked up an image on Google. This somewhat fits, so I guess I'm gonna have this right here. Alright, let's get on with trying to make this look as best as possible. We have a long way to go before this turns into something cool. I'm gonna start off with selecting our character. If you haven't watched the previous videos where I explain these tools, we have over 10 separate videos on the Photoshop tools. So if you missed those, I don't want you to comment down below. I'm just speeding past. I'm not explaining how to do certain things because we have. So make sure to check those videos first, while we even made those in the first place. So alright, let's go ahead. I really dislike grabbing this crown part, but whatever. Get the dominance right here. Alright, once you're happy, right click, select the mask. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna change to overlay. Smooth and contrast. Okay, I'm gonna hit Control J to make a copy. Alright, now we're gonna do the Lambo. Let's grab everything here, boom, up here. Make sure we don't grab the background. There we go, right here, this core, the top. Be sure we don't take our character with us. And the floor, let's get this little small area. The front rims, front of the core. Alright, once you are happy, right click, select the mask, radius, smooth, and contrast up. So Control J. Now I'm gonna make a new layer above our render. I'm gonna right click, create clipping mask. Now we're gonna start brushing away. Alright, color white. We actually kind of messed up our crown a little bit, but it's fine. Let's turn down the flow. Alright, mode, overlay. There we go. Copy this. Let's go ahead and add an inner glow. Bevel emboss. Satin. Alright, let's use our burn tool. Okay, and we're gonna make this jacket pop out by doing this. Go. Also right here, There we go. I think that's pretty good. Alright, let's get on with some color grading. I've been waiting for this. I'm gonna go ahead and add a selective color right here. I'm gonna change colors to blacks right here, okay? Now with these sliders, we can see what we can do with this right here. Alright. Let's go absolute right here. But obviously we have to we gotta adjust the blue right here. It's way too strong. Just a slight tint is all we want. Okay. Brightness and contrast is good. Levels, curves, exposure, gradient fill. Should turn this up as well. Let's add an extra color lookup right here. Load that. See what looks nice. I like this thing actually. See what looks good. Night from day. There we go. That. What else can we add? Let's add another one. I'm just kind of abusing this adjustment layer, kind of. This right here is nice. I like this. All right. On soft light mode. All right, I'm gonna have it all the way up, and I'm just going to use this to adjust it a little bit. All right. That is the plan. Before and after, I like it. Here we go. Alright, let's finalize everything. Let's hold shift, click, control G, control J, control E, hide this, and you can see there's excess, so we're going to control A, control J, delete this, take this and control J. You can pause that if you want. I know that is a lot. Let's go for a camera raw filter. Let's go for texture. You can see the difference. Look at that. Ooh, that's quite a huge difference in clarity. Graphics, you don't want your highlights too strong because that looks completely unnatural. Your eye does not perceive light that way. So, alright, sharpening, you can turn sharpening too. Noise reduction, if you want this smooth look. It's actually not bad, but I don't want too much, just maybe a tad bit. Or not. Is it okay? So look at that. This sky texture is kind of busted. I don't think it will matter because I'm planning to blur anyway, so let's group these two, Control J, Control E, Control J to copy again. Let's go to filter, blur gallery, and we go tilt shift. So let's test this out a little bit. Tilt shift right here. Let's go right here. That's move this tighter and up, and boom, it's okay. And then we can also copy this and apply a Gaussian blur at 2.5, and like I explained before, you can add a layer mask, use your brush, use the color black, and we can selectively remove the blur from the areas of our choosing. So chain, arms, legs right here, You can also do the same thing to the tilt shift, by the way. Yeah, layer mask. Move the tilt shift from the ground right here, where feet is. It's pretty cool. Got the core. Obviously, I want the core to be in focus, but not the end right there, just this little main part. Look at that. That's really cool. Alright. I'm gonna add some smoke as well. So I think this will improve the scene as well. Let's erase some. Not too much. Let's just erase that. Lower the smoke. We can also blur the smoke too. Go. Copy and paste to the other side. And we can also add a vignette. Let's do our the glow for the dominus and the eyes, because why not? Go, let's go screen, copy overlay, right. Alright, that right there is our completed scene. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I kind of sped through this part a little bit, but like I said, this is trial and error. I don't really have a pre-written step-by-step process of how I'm going to achieve this. You know, I'm just kind of figuring it out as I go along, you know, with you guys. I can't, you know, if I'm adding something and I'm not sure how it's going to look, I can't, you know, it makes no sense for me to explain it, and it doesn't look very good, you know, because I'm just going to delete it. So why waste time explaining it? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Got a lot more coming soon. You guys got any ideas? Make sure to comment it down below. And yeah, I gotta head to sleep. It's getting really late. But yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Take care and peace out.